Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. Let's get started. So today we will be seeing these two bitwise operator and 4 input gates. So here is our problem statement. Build a circuit that has two 3-bit inputs that computes the bitwise or the two vectors. So here is the circuit. So let's get started with the code. Assign. First we will doing bitwise OR. So this operation performs the bitwise OR operation. This does the logical OR operation. Now in this question they have mentioned place the inverse of b in the upper half. So assign upper half is 3. Oh, not of b. So this is the symbol for not. So let's submit. So as you can see, compiling process has been started. So we can see the status, it's success, and there is no mismatch in the output. So let's get to the next one. Build a combinational circuit with 4 inputs. So there are total of 4 inputs and these are the outputs we need to do. Let's get started. So first we will do of and get. We will be performing logical operation. Input 0. Input 2. So similarly we will be doing for the other two. Zero. In of 1. In of 2. And in of 3. Assign out XOR 0. Two and 3. So let's submit it. So compiling has been started. So as you can see, the status is success and there is no mismatch in the timing diagram. So that's all for today's session. In the next session we will be seeing the next topics.